So everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Food Lover Asian. You can also follow me on my Instagram under the same name, Food Lover Asian. Another day, another travel adventure. Yes, I'm here in Mykonos, Greece. Oh my God, I've been wanting to come here and be here. So a lot of the capture, a lot of the explore. So if you have not, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up. Also leave a comment down below. Well, Mykonos, let's get going. Let's go. Right now, I'm waiting for my ferry to Mykonos. Yes, I'm leaving from the beautiful island of Santorini. Will be another adventure and also an experience taking the super jet ferry boat to Mykonos. Dealing with a lot of crowds and people, but hey, never done it before and it'll be my first time, but hopefully not going to be my last time. Mykonos is a beautiful island in Greece with a lively waterfront town, which is the old port, and many gorgeous beaches with great water, also known for the nightlife and the party scene. It is easily reached by just less than an hour by plane or 8 hours ferry from Athens. Or I would recommend taking the superboat ferry in the Cyclades Islands region. There are so many beaches to visit and things to do in the island, and I want to show you one by one what you can explore while in Mykonos. First thing to let you know that Mykonos can be super windy and cooler in the evening, so make sure just bring a jacket or two to cover yourself. I'm about ready to show you the island and get my day started. And I want to show you, this is the view from the hotel and the pool and the jacuzzi that I will use after a long day in Mykonos. The first thing I want to tell you that I would recommend renting a car while here in Mykonos. All the streets and road are super tight and small. Well, you know, they used to only have donkeys and horses running the streets. And just make sure to get the smallest car possible. Do not, yes, I said do not rent your usual luxury or SUV Hummer cars. Well, just be ready to brave yourself driving here. The first stop I'm going is to the famous lighthouse. And yes, you need a car to get there. Unfortunately, there's no bus service to get to it. It is so far and up high in the highest mountain. I would say it's about 15 minutes drive up from the town. Since it is so high up, the view and scenery is spectacular. It is an amazing lighthouse and it stands at the edge of a rock and facing the sea. Since it is so far away, even though it's a lovely spot, most likely you will be alone and not many people or tourists around here to enjoy the view, which I do not mind it at all. And now time to drive the island to find the best beach I want to hang out for the day. This island is surrounded by so many beach spots that deserve a visit. Just about 20 minutes drive outside town, I found Kalafatis Beach. This local beach is mostly popular for families with children and for those who enjoy windsurfing. It is also great for swimming and float around. And look at this amazing clear water. Oh my God, I like it so far already. Not so many people and tourists around and not too windy also here. Well, this Aegean sea water is fantastic and I'm loving it. Although I must say the sun seemed to shine brighter here in Mykonos. So make sure to bring plenty of sunscreen and beach towel to lay around. The good thing also about this beach is that the sand is super soft and walkable. It is so nice to spend all your time here all day. Next beach is Lia Beach. It is rather the furthest part of the town, located on the southeastern edge of the island. Super quiet and a comfortable beach. Just an open water and the beach is pretty calm. As you can see, the water is just going in, going out. Definitely not a tourist place, and it's a beach if you want just to get away and to be alone. I definitely love the water here, but I have other beaches I need to check out first. This next beach was made famous by the actress Lindsay Lohan, having her TV show to promote this area beach of Kalo Livadi. Well, this should be the next destination beach in Mykonos as one of the Fun Day Beach Club. As you can see, this is just another beautiful area that has a great scenery and a crystal clear water to spend your day here. There's a full menu and drinks restaurant also that available. And yes, I think I can see myself coming back and just be here all day until the sunset. Well, as you can see here, Kalo Livadi is a small cove with pebbles and crystal clear waters. So beautiful. I just cannot wait to swim and just enjoying my time in Mykonos. I think anywhere you go here in Mykonos, the water will be just like this. I just cannot believe how wonderful the Aegean Sea water can be. Moving along to another popular beach destination. It is considered as one of the longest sand beach in Mykonos. It is called Ilia or Elia Beach. I would say it is pretty far and quite a hassle to get here. But as you can see, it is a wonderful beach. It is super popular spot in South Mykonos for families and locals. With the crystal clear water and a peaceful atmosphere, it is a perfect place to settle in and to unwind. The best part is that if you are a fan of sunbathing, this beach is a clothing optional. Oh yes, clothes are very optional around this area. Plenty of sunbeds and umbrella for rentals, which you may need it since the sun can be harsh and damaging if you are here all day. Well, the next one I'm going to check out Paradis Beach. Well, like the name, it is the adventure beach. Basically, it is beach clubs. And if you like to party, well, this is the place for you. It is also nice because you can rent umbrella and beach bed. Well, most likely also you stay here all day since it's the only thing around here. Sunscreen, and yes, beach, and beach. And a party place. So let's get started, and if you would like to hang around, well, this is a fun place to be. Well, not too far from it, I am checking out Super Paradis Beach. Well, just like the name itself, it is super paradise. This infamous upscale beach club is the place to party. Very high-end club for sure. Just looking from the lobby entrance, it is super nice and lovely. Well, make sure you just bring your credit card handy because it will cost you to stay and party here. They definitely have plenty of sunbeds by the beach, and the price is depending on how close you are to the water. And just remember, they have a minimum billing. But I must say, for sure, it is the best looking beach club I have seen so far in Mykonos. Okay, so I have seen so many beautiful beaches today, and they all seem to have the same super clear water. I'm not so sure now where I would end up at to spend my day here in Mykonos. So, what do you think? I would love to hear your opinion and your choice of which one you think is the best beach to hang around at. Well, back to the town now, and I'm exploring the old port of Mykonos. And when you're here, you have to visit the famous Mykonos Windmills. These are very iconic features on the Greek island. You can see the windmills from every point of the village here. And they are located in the area which is called Chora, just a little up the hill from the Little Venice. The citizens living here in Mykonos were harnessing the wind's energy way before everyone else. These windmills were primarily used to mill wheat. Well, as I mentioned earlier, it is super windy here in Mykonos, and I'm not so surprised that they will utilize this to their advantage. As I string along the area and enjoying the breeze of Mykonos air, and guess what? Out of nowhere, I got super lucky to come across this super famous and the mascot of Mykonos. Yes, Petros the Pelican. It is such a rare sighting. He just lingers around town. He is a big pelican and he's pink. Many tourists come here hoping to see it, but had no luck. A few steps away, here I am at the place where everyone wants to be at. Yes, it is Little Venice. It is by the water in the old port town place. It is the best area, in my opinion, of Mykonos because it's just the central of everything. Besides going to have dinner at the amazing restaurants by the water, there are a lot of shopping to do as well. The best is to take a sunset chill at one of the beach bars or restaurant on the boardwalk. Most people just coming here doing some sunset worshiping every single evening. You just show up with your camera or just your phone and enjoying the beautiful evening here. Anywhere you go, any place by the boardwalk, you cannot escape the beautiful sunset evening. You can definitely experience where the water meets the building and all that heavy splash. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to mention about the food. Well, I had so many of these while in Greece. It is gyro or gyros. Well, whichever, it is definitely good and delicious and tasty. But, well, I need my hot sauce. Boy, I know, don't be judgy here, but, well, hot sauce makes the food taste better, in my opinion. Well, after this, I definitely enjoy my gyros more now. If you happen want to get away from the tourist area to enjoy the best sunset in Mykonos, well, I have a place for you. You need to drive up about 8 minutes away from the old port and you will see this amazing sunset from up the hill. The silkiness and smooth collision of sky bursts red and yellow. Such a perfect moment to close the day with this beautiful picture. Guys, Mykonos is over. Well, until the next travel adventure, thank you again for watching this video until the end. If you have not, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up. Also, leave the comment down below. What do you think about this travel adventure? Well, thank you again. Efaristo. Sampai jumpa lagi. Bye!